Mentah kesengi dan ha umtro hang ni hamia ba resort ba ngi shim mentabat ke 8isOne ka ba de ke Rynsan ka ba temu ban penkelai ka Jylla North East kum Kawei da ka ba pendan kam da ka jinge trelang jong baro hi kini ki pratli stiat hat Jylla North East ye ni ban ngi ha ba ngi pej don ayu ha ni festival.
My name is Bobin. I'm from Manipur and I'm a singer. It's really a great pleasure for me to be a part of this event. The word is self-integration. So as an artist, I want to take the part, I want to take the role and initiative in the field of the music, in the field of composition. We can blend with the different music from a different state. The folk music and our traditional music is the beginning of any beats and every rhythms. My young buddies, my young generation, let's come together and let's preserve our old folk musics, our traditional, original music that our forefathers has given to us as a greatest gift of all. Let us unite through music and culture.
Nagbantay kita ki badang samla ki badang ki badang ya sirhem bhaban le ye kini ki dur im jong ki lengba ki social media ngapa ban ong ba ke ba kile kalong ke ba bunsin ke ba internet bat ke ba ajumut bat ke ba don ki sembok perhan ndai ha ju ko por kentu pede ba ki dei bakin kham ngam jeli ban song thu bha ya ka riti dustur la jong khnang ba kin tip ha ba kin numla ban batai baklai ha ke be dei bat ki riti dustur tun ra jong ka jai ben ri tang ini hi dengan kemilian tiru ba kinyai ne hakta gajing ne jongki banwanra ya ki dor ki ba kansa bat ki bajana.
No community or culture can be without its distinctive markers. Each of the worldviews which are available in the Northeast, in terms of the tribal identity, in terms of other smaller identities, have to be understood properly. We have a diverse kind of stories and it cannot be sort of categorized into 1, 2, 3 or 100. I would say infinite kinds of stories that are available, and we have to understand the stories in terms of their specificity, and this is something that we need to address here.
Tengah sutrat sebut fikli ega politics but ega culture magini ki ya hand in hand ki lang kumju ki lang tenang menta banwara ya ga jingsuk ga jingsain banwara ya ga progress banwara ya ga roi ga par banwara ru ya ga development idon kam ba ga culture ba ga politics de benya dekat kena banwara ya ga jingya teli ga jingya it nang menta baro kinong nong chung snong joga mega state Meghalaya la da gede kinu ki jait ben riru banwara ga jingya teli bala da ga de menta ko bangi pelong menta ka North East Integration Rally by 8isOne organized sponsored by a group ding ikwa badwara ya gadi ka jingya teli manwara ka jingya 8 ki jingya jan para dong northeastern state may along the way.
We are so happy to collaborate from Northeast Integration Rally with our partner Meghalaya chapter 8isOne, and under Northeast Integration Rally we have given the call for unity of all the communities of Northeast. That's why a car and bike rally has been organized, and what is important to understand that we in Northeast we have to join hands and do the politics of unity rather than politics of identity, and this is a movement which we are trying to create. So 8isOne has joined hand with Northeast Integration Rally, and under the leadership of 8isOne, we are so happy to be here and participate, and the extravaganza of rich cultural diversity, unity, and Meghalaya is always a leader. I mean, it's one of the topmost state of Northeast, and we look forward to do lots of work under our Northeast Integration Rally, and we also would take 8isOne to most of the other places where we can do multiple activities on the field. Our movement, we always say, is not a class movement, it's a mass movement. We want to connect as much people as we want, and that is what I congratulate 8isOne to put up such a big show, and we will have much more activities lined up in future, and all these coming editions of next year and third year, fourth year, fifth year, it should grow, and we will have more engagements with the rest of the world. Thank you.
Mentoy ko pun ini nak kia menurut ni kita festival ini gila pun ya kendo ikibril dan long kaya rap beri pun abar ini niyo kanta ini kanta ini.
Our group name is Chompreng Band, and we all came from Tripura, and we are representing Tripura. And the song that we are singing is first is Omono Chini Sinimo, means this is our identity and this is our land and this is how we stay, this is how we make our culture more strong. And the second song we are going to perform today is Gantha Bubar. Gantha Bubar is a flower which is like a dish, and in that Gantha Bubar there is one girl. We are making like describing her as a flower, that how beautiful she is, how like it's like a crush type. So yeah.
Kendiat ngoban ai kublai yu blai bala la ban penyang lang yang hang ni na ngide na ka West Kasiel district, but ngin perform ya ka folk song ti lingba ka folk song ila bas nguthu ba kide ki jingrai ki ba ki mi it temen jungi ki jurwai ha ki por janmet kham tame ha soban thia kham tam por tre rukum ju te hang ni ngin one perform ka folk song but ngin ra ki ideology ba ki temen ki Jylla mensha menta pat lingba ka ni ka festival ni yo ban ra ya ki tu ki ideology ba ki jing ki jing hikai jong ki temen direct bet nakper direct bet sha platform te lingba ka ni ka festival lingba ka ni ka platform kala rap shibun yang i khamtam ki nong kendong ber kum ju kiwe pat ki judgment rio ki badena North East India bekin yo ben i ya ka sap ber kum ju ka culture jong ki badon haki sunong ki than jong ki kable shibun
kumbang i ba la i po ka ni ka flex ni blo tho 8isOne mot na ki pratali ki state jong North East ni stanat shibun namar ba bangitip ba ni badan ki ni state pratali ki North East ni don kam ban long Kawei ban penek lah kejong ka riti ke dostor nek ka culture kejungi kenang ba kari jungi kan mau kan nangki gede bat ka ciru spa joni ka culture kejungi.
Tinggal apa sebut kini ke festival Neo I bagi ladan ki jeng ya kerana ai sembo jeng perkan ke jeng lek kemen lang jeng ki ni ki plat li stage ki bawan hang ni na keleng ke Jylla North East pat ki don ru ki jeng shat jeng rai ki ba bon jat ban pun I ba ke North East ke scam ke klan jeng yang lang kum Kawei tinggal nang san ha me khong wir na bentau front media ku pleshi bon. Ki jeng kurkuda